It's told with a lot of depth and a lot of thought, and the feelings run very, very deep. I think it drives the culture, the overall culture in China, and it's nice to see that being celebrated year on year. So I think that's what's impressive about it. That's what's special. For any foreigners visiting China during this time of the year, I would strongly recommend that they do come and see the performance for themselves, because it does offer a truly unique experience.
I love the performances, and I also like the races from all the people on the river. I think it's pretty amazing that they pedal while they're standing up. It's pretty amazing. They need a lot of strength doing that.
It was so beautiful, it was so colorful, it was so vibrant. I enjoyed it a lot. That's very beautiful, and it's my first time experiencing that, so I really enjoyed that.